Hello and welcome back to part 2 of our address sign video. In part 1 you got to see how we designed this beautiful sign right here, how we did the coloring and how we completed the look with our CNC plasma. And in this video we're going to go over how we were able to do the lighting and get it connected to this sign with allowing it to have that dusk to dawn option. So here we go. Okay, so here's the front of our house. And as I had mentioned in the first video, is our lighting is on one side and there's not really a space for your address numbers to show up very well on that side. So most of these older homes have your numbers on the other side of your door. Well, the dilemma we had was the light just didn't really shine over to that side very well, and we didn't like how you couldn't see the numbers. So I wanted to create something that allowed our lights to be illuminated with LED backlighting and have the option to customize it and choose lighting options and have fun with it. So this is what we did. So we have our light here and we're gonna go under, but inside this light we have, you can kind of see that extra shape up there. That's an additional output. And behind that is a cord that we are able to run up through the fixture and up and over. It's a special extension cord for LED lighting. So because that output is connected directly through our light, it instantly connects with the dusk to dawn option. So this sign will be illuminated whenever the light is on or whenever it's dusk to dawn. So when we were doing this process, we got a new light fixture. And when we were choosing one, we thought about getting the light fixture that has the 120 volt outlet ports in them. And we thought that'd be really cool. It might make it easier for some LEDs. But if you're wanting this to work off the dusk to dawn option, it needs to be connected directly through the fixture and the light bulb. Otherwise, it's not going to work as the dusk to dawn.
What y'all got going here is genius.
Okay, it was time for a coat. It's like 25 degrees and I'm a little cold out here. So if this is a project that you want to have for your home, I am the owner of Sunwood Metals here and I'd be happy to work with you and create a custom sign for your home. We can decorate it however you want. And if you need help with the wiring and the connection points for your fixture, I have it all figured out and I can get it all set up for you as a package. Or if you just want the sign and want to do the rest yourself, that's an option too. But either way, if this is something that you'd like for your home, then we can get connected and I can get your order taken care of for you.
Do you like to do it yourself?
If you're looking to do a project like this yourself, for the LEDs, something to keep in mind is that when you're shopping for them, there are so many different kinds of LEDs. These ones run off of a 4-prong and then have a connection for a USB plug-in. And that's what we have on that fixture. The connection adapter is a USB. There are also LEDs that get their electricity through a 120 volt. So if you go with that option, you're just going to want to make sure that the connection between the fixture and the light bulb is set up for 120 volt. So just one other thing to consider is if you are needing an extension cord to run up and over your door, then you're going to want to factor that into your design as well. So depending on the color or what connection points work for that LED strip that you're getting and what will connect into that light fixture attachment. So those are all things to consider if you're doing a project like this yourself. But if you want to take out all the guessing work, I'm happy to do the work for you and I can get you taken care of. If you like this video and enjoyed seeing this creative process, please give this channel a like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And stay tuned because we have a lot more fun and creative projects coming up.